morning, my dear students. The next one topic is PCV. So what is the PCV? PCV means packed cell volume. Next topic is the PCV. PCV means packed cell volume. So what is the meaning of packed cell volume? So the packed cell volume is defined as a proportion of blood occupied by RBC. So how much of RBC cells are presented in the blood is known as PCV, packed cell volume. So the packed cell volume is defined as a proportion of blood occupied by RBCs. So it expressed in the, this one is our, the packed cell volume is expressed in only percentage, So the RBC volume packed at the bottom of the RBC, how to identify it? So the RBC cells are present at the bottom of the hematocrit tube or hematocrit cell. So these are the hematocrit cells are then going to centrifugation by the centrifugation technique. So identify the percentage of the RBC in the blood. So this method is also known as EVF. So what is the meaning of the EVF? Erythrocyte volume fraction. Erythrocyte volume fraction. So this the PCV is also known as erythrocyte volume fraction or hematocrit. So what is the meaning of the PVC? So packed volume cell is defined as a blood occupied by the RBC. It is only indicated in the percentage. The RBC is present at the bottom of the hematocratic tube or hematocratic cell. So undergoing centrifugation. So what is the method? What is the method of the determination? What is the method of the PCV? How to identify the PCV? The blood is mixed with a anticoagulant. So first we take the blood mixed with a anticoagulant. What is the importance of the anticoagulant? So it is the coagulation means blood clotting. What is the anticoagulation means? There is no chance for the blood clotting. So at the moment of the identification of the PCV, so the blood mix up with a anticoagulant. So the anticoagulant, how to, what is the anticoagulant example? EDTA. What is the meaning of the EDTA? Ethylamine tetraacetate. Ethyl diamine tetraacetate. So the EDTA act as a anticoagulant. The blood is mixed up with a EDTA. So after adding of the anticoagulant filled in a hematocrit tube. So this is called as a hematocrit tube. So in this hematocrit tube, it is the indication in the percentage from the right side 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 up to 100 percentages. So indicates the percentages and as well as a also mm to 90 also indicated here. So these are the total up to 100 percentage fill the blood volume fill the blood with the anticoagulant. After filling of the blood, the hematocratic introducing into a centrifugation tube. So in the centrifugation tube, place the hematocratic tube. So after placing of the centrifugation and starts the RPM. So what is the RPM? They have to maintain the 3000 RPM. What is the meaning of the RPM? So RPM means revolution per minute. per minute, revolution per minute. So the what is the centrifugation mechanism? So what is the centrifugation mechanism? For example, this is a centrifugation tube, and place these are in the center point of the centrifugation, and it is connected to the centrifugation tube. So these the particular tube is placed here. Particular tube is placed here, and the centrifugation is rotates into clockwise direction, So what is the RPM means? One rotation is a 1 RPM, two rotations means 2 RPM, 3 RPM, 4 RPM. So in per minute revolution is a 3000 RPMs are rotated in the per minute, maintain that range. So after RPM is finishing within 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes and separated the blood into two categories. One is the plasma, and second one is the RBC. So this is called as the RBC, this is called as the plasma. The plasma is always occupied at the upper side, RBC at the bottom side. So the next one, in between of our plasma and RBC, a white gap is produces in between of plasma and packed RBC. So that gap is known as a white buffy coat. White buffy coat is presented in between of two layers. So here the white buffy coat upper layer is a plasma layer and lower layer is known as a RBC. So how much of percentage of RBC presented in the 100%? So here 50% of the RBC presented in the particular blood. So this is about determination of the PCV. PCV identified by the particular hematocratic tube. So these are the cannot easily identified, the PCV cannot easily identified by the naked eye. So its accurate value is updated by the direct measurement of the PCV. So the PCV equipment is identified by especially auto analyzer. So the RBC and PCV identified by the auto analyzer. So the auto analyzer is identify the PCV range. So this is the method of the PCV. So first we take the blood and added the anticoagulant, example EDTA. So then is filled in a hematocratic tube. The hematocratic tube is having the percentage values and the values. So placed in a centrifugation after maintain the 3000 RPM for 30 minutes. After identifying the hematocratic tube into two layers, one is the plasma layer, one is the RBC layer. In between of the plasma and RBC having the one layer, that is a white buffy coat. So upper layer white buffy coat, upper part is the plasma, lower part is the RBC. The PCV is identified by the auto analyzer. So what is the importance of the determining of the PCV? So what is the significance? What is the significance? It is mainly determination of the diagnosis and treatment of the anemia. Diagnosis and treatment of anemia. Diagnosis and treatment of anemia. And the next one, diagnosis and treatment of polycythemia. Diagnosis and treatment of polycythemia. And the next one, and determination of the extent of the dehydration, recover from the dehydration after treatment. So dehydration after treatment. And the next one, and decision of the blood transfusion. So this is the importance of the PCV. So what is the normal values of the PCV? So the PCV is different in the male and females. In case of males 40 to 45% in males, and the next one in females so 38 to 42% PCV is presented in the every 100 ml of 100 ml of blood. So every 100 ml of blood, 40 to 50 percentage of the PCV is present in male and 38 to 42 percentage in the female. So then in case of increasing this value, in case of increases the PCV, what happened in body? Decreasing of the PCV, what happened in the body? In case of increasing in body, it produces the dehydration and polycythemia. In case of increasing of the PCV, it produces the polycythemia. In case of decreasing of the increasing of the PCV, it produces the dehydration also. So in case of increases the PCV in the body, what happened? So anemia is produces anemia. And the next one, cirrhosis of liver. Cirrhosis of liver is produces in the body. So this is about PCV, packed cell volume. So the packed cell volume introduction and definition and determination method. What is the uses, significance, then next normal values. Then in case of the increases, what happened, decreases, what happened in the body. So this is about PCV. If you have any doubts, tomorrow we will discuss.